And I'm going to resize this so that it fits in the window. Okay. So our actions aren't going to change too much. We still have all of the functions that we're going to call on for we're clicking on each of our separate buttons. But inside these functions, we're going to tell our movie clip to go to and play a different frame. So now we're actually pointing to a movie clip. We're not telling the main timeline to go to and play the frame labeled home here. We're going to tell that content movie clip timeline to go to and play the frame labeled home. So all we have to do here is add to the beginning of our statement content_mc dot go to and play home. So we can do that for each of our functions. Content_mc dot go to and play about, content_mc dot go to and play contact, and content_mc dot go to and play products. There we go. So just by changing one little thing here in our action script, we're able to make this work. So let's hit Control-Enter to test our movie, and we see that our first page automatically animates on just like it was doing before. And if we click on any of our other buttons, we see that everything still works. The only difference is we've cleaned up our main timeline so that in our main timeline we only have one frame. And all the other frames are stored now inside this content movie clip. So if we double click on that movie clip, we can see all of our frames. So that's just another way that you can construct your simple Flash website so that your main timeline isn't too cluttered. And really it's just a matter of preference. If you want your main timeline to be nice and clean, this is the way to do it. If you don't really care, then it might be okay to go ahead and have everything in your main timeline stretched out across multiple frames. Either way is acceptable, so just do whatever works for you, but that's how you can do that using one frame in your timeline. So let's save our file. We'll go to File, Save As, and I'm going to save this as one-frame.fla. So if you want to take a look at my code or the way that this file is set up, you can open up oneframe.fla in your project files folder. So we'll save that, and we'll move on with the next video.